In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these stunning geode coasters with glass glitter, stunning color combinations, little feet on the back. Stick around and see how I made them. I haven't made geode coasters for a while, so I thought I would. I'm going to be using Naked Fusion resin, details below with discount offers below. I'm going to also use their Luxxe Mica Pigments. I'm going to use Silver Fox, Pink Flamingo, Mink and Dusty Rose. I'm going to go ahead and mix those. I've also mixed the resin already. And for the center, I'm going to use the Recollections glass glitter, and I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use their gold and silver. So I'm going to begin by, I'm going to do like a mixture of each in the center of each geode. So I'm just going to put some in the middle of each geode. I can control that once I put some clear resin on top. Yeah, it's been a while actually. The last time I did a geode was a trinket tray. So that's the gold, and I'm just going to add a little bit of the silver, which looks similar, but actually when they're mixed together, it adds a little extra sparkle. Now these geode coasters are around about 1 centimeter thick, and I'm going to fill them to the top because I like them to be quite thick, because otherwise I find sometimes silicone coasters can be a bit bendy, and I find that the heavier they are, the less likely someone's wine glass is going to pick them up with them. So just go ahead and put some clear resin over that, keep that in place. Collect those bits. Okay, so the colors I've decided, the order I'm going in is dusky pink, followed by mink, and this mink color is, it's really unusual. It's hard to describe. It's like a kind of chocolate with a copper color. I think it's really going to complement the pinks, and then this beautiful silver fox. And in between the two kind of silvery colors, this shocking pink flamingo. So let's begin with some Dusty Rose. I'm almost happy with these. All I want to do is add just a little more of the dusty rose around the glass glitter, just very carefully. And around this. And I'm partly doing this because I want to fill them up. And interestingly, the mink almost disappeared. So, which I wasn't too bothered about because I thought when I first did it, I was a bit clumsy and it kind of overtook, but I might just add a teeny weeny line. Stop. And this one. Okay, that's for the dusty pink. And where's my pink flamingo? Oh, I love this colour. And this is going right at the edge, and this is going to be a really fine line right at the edge of the fox. Thin line. What a fabulous colour that is. Stop. There we go. Oh, love. Where's my wet wipe? I always have some baby wet wipes by me. Okay, come on. Come on. I haven't got all day. All dry. I'm going to put some rubber gloves on. Oh my gosh. Today I was about to play tennis and rushing to get out of my car. I bent this nail. Not all of it right back, just half of it. Oh my gosh, the pain, the pain. So I guess now I've got to wear a band-aid till it grows out. Or put some super glue on it or something, but yowza. Ouch. That's all I can say. Anyway, back to better things. So let's unmold these lovelies. So this is going to be the underside. And let's see what we've got for the top. Ooh, come on, be gentle. Be gentle with my molds. Don't stick. Be nice. No, okay, there we go. Ooh, looky. Oh, I like that. Let's look at the others. These are gorgeous. Oh, once I've got them all out, I'll bring you in for a closer look. Ooh, really, really nice. And these too shall be on my Etsy store. Oh, these are smashing. So let me I'll bring it up to you for a close-up. You can see how simply gorgeous and flawless they are. And that's the other side. So now what I'm going to do, I have some gold liquid leaf, and I'm going to paint the edges. All right, so I'm going to do that, then I'll be back. And here they are, they're all finished. I've painted the sides gold, and they are all gorgeous. Couldn't be more happier. I might just put some little clear feet on the back, just so that they don't scratch anyone's surface. So they have some beautiful, 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 beautiful geode coasters. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.